The three are part of 16 members of the National Democratic Congress who were placed on police wanted list after the disturbances that ensued during the Youth and Women's Wing Congress. The accused have been on remand since the arrest on January 6 and 7, 2023. Their lawyers on Wednesday prayed the court to grant bail to their client. The lawyers assured the court that the accused will make themselves available for trial and cannot interfere with investigations. Though prosecution did not oppose the bail application, the judge set bail at 50,000 Ghana cedis with two sureties each. The sureties are supposed to be civil servants who earn no less than 2,000 Ghana cedis and must be residents within the jurisdiction of the court. The national youth organizer of the party, George Opare Addo, who was in court, described as unfair the decision of the police to prosecute the matter.
I think the police is not being fair. There was a youth conference. Certainly you would expect some youthful exuberance to be exhibited. And as it stands now, we still don't even know who the complainant in this matter is. We agree some altercations happen, but is it enough to warrant a prosecution? I believe that our lawyers will do a good job, and everybody who has been associated with this execution, one way or the other, will be left off the hook.
Prior to the decision on the bail, there was a heated argument in court on the plea of the third accused person, Dauda Muhammad Nazir. He had earlier pleaded guilty to the count of prohibition of vigilante groups and activities contrary to the Vigilante and Related Offences Act. But lawyers for the accused in court on Wednesday prayed the court to allow for the plea of guilty to be changed, as their client did not understand the count and was not provided with a certified court interpreter. Prosecution, however, opposed the application, insisting the court did not have jurisdiction to change the plea as a conviction has been entered. It was the argument of the prosecution that by virtue of entering a conviction based on the plea of the accused, any move to revert the decision can only be done by an appellate court. The judge, in delivering the ruling, however, noted that the court erred as the consequence of the plea was not adequately explained to the accused. The judge ruled that since the matter ends after sentencing and not after conviction, he was clothed with the jurisdiction to make the accused change his plea. The accused then changed his plea to not guilty. One of the lawyers have been speaking to the media on Wednesday's proceedings.
The court entered not guilty to count 4, but in respect of count 3, the court entered guilty. That is what we pray to the court, that because of the error in law by admitting an uncertified translator to translate the plea, the court erred. The judge, in his wisdom, appreciated the argument and said that since he has not even sentenced A3 in respect of that particular offense, then his hands are not completely tied. So what he will do is that he will reverse it.